What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Savi B, back again with my periodic dividend updates. I do need to get more on it and post more regularly, but here I am today. As you can see, the portfolio is $18,882.62. For the day, I'm up $166.67 during market. After hours, I'm up $36.13. That's on the day. On the week, I am down $361.60. On the month, I am down $142.90. 3 months, I am down $903.23. And on the year, I am down 1,200 bucks. As we all know, this year has been a little bit trying just due to the COVID virus. So as you can see, there was this sharp drop off in my 1 year chart, and this was around March. Um, we have kind of recovered, but not totally there. Uh, so a few things that might be different in my portfolio from my previous video was the fact that I only added income realty as well as VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. Um, I've been building this position since March. So far, I am up 13%. Um, I continue, I really want to build this out some more. I kind of want to make this about 30% of my portfolio. I do want to get more into indexing. Uh, I'm looking at indexing via market sectors. So I do want to get into some utilities because, as this virus has shown us, uh, we can live with certain parts of our lives not being there anymore, and I think utilities is just one of the essential things in life that we cannot live without. So I think it would be a pretty good cash cow, to give up those dividend payments. So I'm going to be looking into getting into uh, Vanguard Utilities, which is, let me scroll to the bottom. It is VPU, Vanguard Utilities ETF. So I'm going to look to build up about $1,000 position in this ETF and see where it goes from there. But anyway, let's look at our dividends for the month of August. Okay. So for August, let's go start at August 1st. I got a dividend from SPHD in the amount of 30 cents. I got a dividend from AT&T in the amount of $52. There was a deposit. Let's go ahead and filter that all out. And this is an absolute mess. I got a dividend from Vanguard Total Bond Market. I got $2.86. I got an 80-cent dividend from the Fallen Angel High Yield Bond. I got a 2-cent dividend from MasterCard. I got a $2.40 dividend from ADG&C Investment. I got a 21-cent dividend from Global Super Dividend US ETF. I got $1.84 dividend from Global X Super Dividend ETF. Did that one already. I got $2.57 from Realty Income. I got $1.03 from Caterpillar. And the last, I got $2.22 from First Trust Multi-Asset Diversified Income ETF. which all of this comes to, which brings my total for the month of $66.25. As you can see, my year to date is $608.34 I have collected in dividends. So I have been paid $608.34 for just holding the stock throughout this pandemic. So I'd like to go through my net worth. This is just liquid cash accounts as well as my Robinhood account, and my total debt. Um, so as you can see, my Robinhood account is $18,882.62. I do have a Marcus savings account with Goldman Sachs, I believe, and in there I have $5,808.35. In my primary account, which is Navy Federal, I have $34.59 in my checking account. In my Navy Federal savings account, I have $25.01. The reason why I have almost nothing in my primary account is I usually move it to Robinhood or to pay off my credit card. Um, but I just keep a couple bucks in there just in case. So my total liquid assets, I do own a car. I don't own a house or anything. Um, so just liquid assets would be $24,751 roughly. My total liabilities, or my outstanding debts rather, I do have a car loan which is currently $16,828. Uh, Sadly, my car that I did have for a couple of years died uh, at the ending of December. So New Year's Day, I had to get a new car. Um, so I ended up getting a new car. I probably got too many warranties and things like that on it. So I overpaid for the car for sure. Um, Student loan debt. I do have $4,767 in student loan debt. Um, I was able to get a associate's degree and a bachelor's degree for one loan of $5,500. It's a long story why I had to take the loan out, but basically I messed up um, in my final semester of my bachelor's degree, so that took care of it. Right now it's on not furlough, it's on a mandatory forbearance, 0% interest. What I'm currently focusing on is my credit card, which right now is $4,099. My interest rate on that is 15.99%, so 16%. Um, so I'm gonna stop investing in Robinhood for the time being to pay off my credit card, because in order for me to break even, I would have to get at least 16%, which is crazy. That in order to break even, I would need to get 16%. So I will be focusing on paying the credit card off. I came in this year with about $12,000 in credit card debt. So about $8,000 have been paid off. I'm gonna see if I could just reallocate the funds from my Robinhood to my credit card to pay that off, get rid of it, and then start paying the student loan. Student loan interest rates like 3.5 or 4%, something like that. So it's not that big of a deal. The car loan, it's about 6.5 or 6%, somewhere around there. Anyway, my total liabilities or outstanding debt is $25,694. Uh, so if you take the outstanding debt minus the liquid assets, you come up with a negative number, negative $943. So I do look to change this as soon as possible. Um, you know, if you want to go ahead and follow my journey through all this craziness, go ahead. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a wonderful week.